This is a meditation for healing triggers. Take a deep breath in, and when you release this breath, release all tension that you hold in your body from your head to your toes. Just see this tension just melt away in a wave of beautiful white light, which is unconditional love for you. See this light working on every part of you. Spend a few moments letting the light work on tension in your head or neck, shoulders, heart, stomach. Breathe in and out and let the light just move through you, removing all tension. And with your next breath, imagine this unconditional love connecting you to a consciousness that can give you answers to anything that triggers you. The answer is coupled with love. So, for example, if you are triggered by something that reminds you of being devalued in childhood, bullied, made fun of, neglected, ignored, any negative feeling in childhood, if this comes up, imagine receiving attention, concern. Imagine being admired by your parents, by extended family members and friends, cared for, comforted. Imagine the child in you being hugged and soothed and told how wonderful you are. Told that it's okay to feel the emotions that you feel, that you are loved anyway. Replace some moments that you have experienced that were painful with love, because in the light of God, that is exactly what you get, is a love to replace all pain, all wounding. Tell the child inside of you, I see you, I care about you, I want you to be strong and have the correct boundaries to walk away from people who are harmful. You can bless them, but you simply walk away. Or if you are safe enough, you can discuss your feelings and see how they are received. The light is there for you to give you what you did not receive. So feel worthy and open to receive an abundance of love, an abundance of it. Every time you cried, you are now held. Every time you felt like you are not enough, you are told you are loved exactly as you are. Every time you were made fun of, you are instead complimented. Every time you are abused, you are instead enriched with amazing experiences, fun experiences, learning experiences. Your lessons are easy. Wisdom is shared with you. In this moment, you are receiving a download of wisdom that your parents could not give you, perhaps. This universal consciousness is giving you so much healing, so much wisdom, and protection. Your angels are also here. They are willing to work for your protection and your healing. They are here to cut any cords to your past that you want cut at this time. Perhaps you are tired of playing certain memories in your mind. These memories harm you. They can now be cut from your consciousness so they no longer leak energy, your life energy. You can ask your angels in this moment to cut all energetic cords from the past that keep you replaying certain patterns of thought. You can have your consciousness open up to positive, happy ways of thinking to replace these patterns. Spend some time really breathing in this work from the angels. Breathe in the healing power, the light that the angels are sending into your consciousness. Feel the release from certain ways of thinking, certain ways of being. The angels are willing to connect you to a universal consciousness that puts each moment of your life into perspective. You know when to be detached and wait for more information and not respond emotionally. You know when to protect yourself and know that you are a child of God, deserving of care and concern and love. You know when you are overreacting, and you take care of yourself when you are triggered. You know how to create new patterns for yourself, happier patterns of thought. Let the angels give you this download now. You might want to breathe very strong breaths, releasing the past, releasing pent-up emotions, releasing anything from your subconscious, your unconscious mind that triggers you and traumatizes you. Keep breathing out uncomfortable emotions, stored emotions in the body. Keep receiving light and healing and downloads to help you react in positive, helpful ways for your life. You are the CEO of your life, so you can line up what works best for you. You can take care of yourself, and you have excellent board members, a team in heaven of angels and guides and ancestors, and a loving God willing to send you energy to help you on this journey, to really light your way. With your next breath, just bring in all that healing from your team. Bring it into your heart. your mind. They are telling you how wonderful you are, how strong you are, how brave you are to be here. That you are doing a wonderful job. They are telling you all your good qualities. They really see you and appreciate you and love you on this journey. Tell them thank you for their light and their guidance and their help. You are so grateful for all the energy that they bestow to you. And when you're ready, come out of this meditation knowing that you've experienced deeper healing of triggers.